Welcome friends to Python Programming by Amaresh. Before starting the video, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified to my latest video. Also please hit the like button, which will inspire me. So let's start. So friends, today we will learn isAlpha, isDigit and isspace methods on string. So let's start. First, isAlpha method. IsAlpha method returns true if all characters in the string are alphabetic and there is at least one character, otherwise returns false. Let assign a variable a with a string say Python, then we apply the isAlpha method, see Python gives the output true. Another time, let assign a variable b with a string say Python 3, then we apply the isAlpha method. See Python gives the output false. Second, isDigit method. isDigit method returns true if all the characters in the string are digits. There must be at least one character, otherwise it will return false. So let's start. Let assign a variable a with the string say Python, then apply the isDigit method. See Python gives output false. Another time, let assign a variable b with a string say 123, then apply the isDigit method, see Python gives output true. Third, isspace method. Isspace method returns true if there are only whitespace characters in the string. There must be at least one character, otherwise it will return false. Let assign a variable a with string say abc, then apply the isspace method, see Python gives output false. Another time, let assign a variable b with string having only white spaces, then apply the isspace method, see Python gives output true. That's all for today. Thank you. This is AMARESH BISWAL signing off. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified to my latest videos. And also please hit the like button.